Today we will start asset accounting. Okay. Today we will start asset accounting. So in asset accounting, we have to create a chart of depreciation, asset classes, general ledgers, document types and number ranges. Okay. Depreciation methods and the depreciation keys. And after that, we will go to testing. Okay. So asset accounting is most important. So first, chart of depreciation. So in chart of depreciation, the first configuration is activate new asset accounting. Activate new asset accounting. So for that, so what is configuration screen? SPRO. So here SAP reference IMG, financial accounting. In financial accounting, asset accounting. In asset accounting, migration. Migration, asset accounting new. Migration from classic to new asset accounting. Next, activate asset accounting new. So activate asset accounting new. So we can enable display key IMG activity to display T codes. This is the path. Additional information, display key IMG activity. Okay. So in asset accounting, the path is ORFA. Okay. The T code ORFA. For example, I will show you. So entire asset accounting configuration existing in ORFA. Okay. Asset accounting T code ORFA. Now we'll go only by path. Okay. So activate asset accounting. It is activated. Okay. It is already in active state. Inactive. Okay. Active. Next. Next we will configure asset classes. Okay. Asset class. So uh, before creating asset class, we have to create specify account determination, define number range interval. Okay. Create screen layout rules, define screen layout for asset master data. So after that, we can create asset class. Okay. So these are the pre-requirements to create asset class. So we are creating account determinations JKBA, that means for building accounting determination, JKPA for plant and machinery accounting determination, and JKAA for JKAUC asset under construction accounting determination. Okay. So these three are the account determination we need to create. So what is the T code? ORFA. So in ORFA, organization structure, asset classes, the first one, specify account determination. Next, create screen layout rules. Next, define number range intervals. After that, define asset classes. Okay. The first one, specify account determination. New entries. So what are the three we need to create? JKBA, JKPA, JKAA. Okay. So description, JKBA for buildings, JKPA for plant and machinery, JKA for AUC. That means asset under construction. Okay. Save. Next, define number range intervals. Define number range intervals. Go back. Define number range intervals. Company code JK10 intervals. So we need to create JB for buildings, JP for plant and machinery, JA for AUC, JB. JB. So we will give number ranges. You can give 3 lakhs. Okay. Next. For JB, JP, JA, JP. For JP we can give 2 lakhs. 2,09,099. Okay. 2,09,999. Next one. What is next one? JB, JP, JA, JA. Okay. 1 lakh. 9,999. Okay. So these are the number ranges. Save. Next, after creating number ranges, create screen layout rules. Okay. Screen layout rules. Go back. Create screen layout rules. So here these are the defaulted, that means standard screen layout rules. Now we are going to copy these standard screen layout rules. So for buildings, plant and machinery, AUC. Okay. Select buildings. So plant and machinery means general machines. Okay. Next AUC, asset under construction, 4,000. Okay. So now copy, enter our names here, 4 letters. So we will enter screen layout JKBS for buildings, JKPM for plant and machinery, JKAU for asset under construction. Okay. Next description. Okay. JKBS buildings. Okay. JKPM for plant and machinery, JKAU for asset under construction. Okay. Enter. Save. Okay. We have configured screen layout rules. Next, define screen layout for asset master data. Define screen layout for asset master data. Up to now, one class. In this class, we have configured account determination, define number ranges, screen layout rules. Okay. Coming to the asset accounting configuration, we already activated new asset accounting. Now we are going to configure copy reference chart of depreciation areas. Okay. In that first one, copy reference chart of depreciation. Okay. T code ECG rate. Actually, what is the asset accounting main T code? ORFA. In ORFA, we have entire asset accounting configuration. Okay. Entire asset accounting configuration. So now what is the setting? Copy reference chart of depreciation. So go to organizational structure, Okay, copy reference chart of depreciation, this one. In that, select first one, copy reference chart of depreciation. So for every country, a default from chart of depreciation are there. I will show you. We need to copy from here. So here we have number of countries and respective chart of depreciations. We need to copy from the default one. Okay, from standard chart of depreciation we need to copy, and we can make changes to according to our country. Okay, so for India, 0 in, for India 0 in is the chart of depreciation. Okay, 0 in is the chart of depreciation. Now we are copying from 0 in, and we will enter for our company JKCD. That means JK chart of depreciation. Okay, copy. Okay, do you really want to transfer number? Just no. Next, asset accounting. Okay, yeah, we are saving this configuration in asset accounting. Okay, so completely added activities is chart of depreciation 0 in copy to JKCD. Okay, 0 in copy to JKCD. Next, so what is the next one? Copy reference chart of depreciation completed. Next one, specify description of chart of depreciation. Specify description of chart of depreciation. Go back. So next one, specify description of chart of depreciation. So what is your chart of depreciation? JKCD. So in JKCD, so what is the description here? Sample chart of depreciation. Now we will enter our company JK. Okay, JK chart of depreciation India. Okay, saving. Save. Completed. Next one, copy delete depreciation areas. This is the most important concept. Many students will confuse in this setting, and many institutes also simply. Okay, we will discuss in next class for your better understanding. Okay, coming to the asset accounting configuration. Now we are configuring copy delete depreciation areas. So in copy delete depreciation areas, we are going to configure 3 depreciation areas. One is for global reporting, that is JKIF 0L INR. Okay, so that means for leading ledger. Okay, next another one for company code reporting. This is for J4 ledger J4. Next, another depreciation area for Indian income tax purpose. Okay, so income tax purpose, that is JKII INR. So for Indian income tax purpose, it is not need to create area post in real time. Okay, so area does not post because the details, the transactions extracting from J4. Okay, for JKII INR, extracting transactions from JKIA J4 INR depreciation area. That's why it's a area does not post. So after completing asset accounting configuration and posting entries, I will show you how it reflects in real time. Okay, next we are creating 3 depreciation areas. So in copy chart of depreciation, so after we have completed copy reference chart of depreciation, specify description of chart of depreciation. Now copy delete depreciation areas. So our depreciation area JKCD, delete all the depreciation areas except one. Okay, what is our first depreciation area? JKIF 0L INR for global reporting leading ledger. Okay, description. Next, so this is real time depreciation area. Okay, next, what is the accounting principle we have created for this one for leading ledger? JKIF. Okay, okay, for JKIF, after entering it will take as 0LS target ledger group. Okay, next, posting in the general ledger area, post in real time. Okay, this is the real time posting. Save. So there is no error. Save. Next, second depreciation area. Okay, for second depreciation area we will select this one and copy. We will give number as second one because we have to maintain sequence. What is second depreciation area? JKIA J4 INR. So it is for J4. It's also real time depreciation area. So what is the accounting principle? JKIA for Indian Income Tax Act. Okay, sorry, it's a Indian accounting standard. Okay, for that's why JKIA. No settings found for accounting principle JKIA. So actually, what is the JKIA? Sorry, JKAA. We are maintaining JKAA. Okay. So because we have created a representative ledger, and in representative ledger we have created taken leading ledger parameters and the non-leading ledger parameters for J4. Okay, that's why we are taking accounting principle as JKAA. That means it represents leading ledger parameters and non-leading ledger parameters. Okay, so second depreciation area created. Next one for Indian income tax purpose. So what is third depreciation area? JKII for Indian income tax purpose. So that's why copy second depreciation area, change depreciation area as 3. JKII INR. So here no need of ledger. Okay, because it is extracting from second depreciation area J4. That's why no need to enter ledger. So the real time depreciation area. Next, in posting in the general ledger, area does not post. So it is area does not post. Okay, so accounting principle JKAA. Save. Back. Again back. Copy delete depreciation areas. Startup depreciation JKCD. Now we have 3 depreciation areas. One is for leading ledger. That means global reporting. Target group 0L accounting principle JKIF area post in real time. Another one J4. Okay, JKIA J4 INR. So accounting principle JKAA target group JKAA area post in real time. So another one for Indian income tax purpose JKIA INR. So it is not relevant ledger. So that's why JKAA accounting principle target ledger group JKAA. Okay, save. Okay, this setting completed. So this is the important setting. We have to understand how many depreciation areas we need to create for a company code and global reporting, and we can also maintain for cost accounting separate depreciation area. So or for any management purpose separate depreciation area. So we can create many depreciation areas. Okay, based on this, the logic is same. Okay, the logic is same. Whichever we have ledger, I will show you logic. We have already discussed in real time class. So mandatory areas, number of ledgers into number of currencies. We have how many ledgers? We have two ledgers. One is leading ledger 0L and another one is non-leading ledger J4. So that's why number of currencies. How many currencies we have? Only INR. So two ledgers into one currency. 2 into 1 equal to 2. That's why we have created area post in real time, two depreciation areas. Okay. Optional areas, accounting principle into number of currencies. So what is the accounting principle we have created for Indian Income Tax Act JKII? Okay, that's why one accounting principle, number of currencies INR, only INR. That's why only optional areas have one depreciation area. Okay, one optional depreciation area, two mandatory areas. So this is the most important concept in asset accounting. So otherwise, the report may get wrong. Okay, so completed. After creating depreciation areas, this is the most important step, assign chart of depreciation to company code. So generally we are getting two errors. Okay, so if you directly do this setting, that means assign chart of depreciation to company code, we will get two errors. One is assign tax codes for non-taxable transactions. Another one, specify the use of parallel currencies. That's why we will directly go to the setting, assign tax codes for non-taxable acquisition. Okay, the first we will go for specify the use of parallel currencies. We will do this to remove the error. So what is the asset account T code? ORFA. In ORFA, general valuation, currencies. So in currencies, specify the use of parallel currencies. So what is our chart of depreciation? JKCD. So this is our chart of depreciation. So here, what is the mandatory depreciation areas? That means real-time depreciation areas. What are those? The first one and second one are the real-time depreciation areas. So that's why for real-time depreciation areas, we will give zeros. Okay. Reduction of values from depreciation area. So 0. So for a third depreciation area, JKIA, the details extracting from second depreciation area, J4. Okay. That's why we are giving value addition 2. Okay. Here also value addition 2. Next, we will take identical, identical. Okay. Enter. So it will showing JKCD does not exist. That's why simply remove 0, enter. Okay. Simply remove 0 and enter. Some students may face this as error. Simply remove 0 and enter. It will automatically takes for real-time depreciation areas zeros, and for third depreciation area it will extract from second depreciation area. That's why we are giving 2 2. Okay, that means it will extract details from second one. Save. So here we need to take group currency. group currency. Okay, save. Okay, this one completed. Next. So what is the next one? Assign tax codes for non-taxable transactions. Okay, assign tax code for non-taxable transactions. So this one completed. Go back. So integration with general ledger accounting. Integration with general ledger accounting. In that, assign input tax indicator for non-taxable acquisitions. Assign input tax indicator for non-taxable acquisitions. So in that, what is our company code? JK10. So in JK10, input tax indicator. So V0 is the default input tax indicator. Okay, input tax code. Default input tax code V0. So output tax indicator A0. Okay, A0. Enter. Okay. So after entering, it will take V0 A0. Okay. Save. Next. So this one also completed. Next, the main setting, assign chart of depreciation to company code. Okay. Now we will assign chart of depreciation to company code. Assign chart of depreciation to company code. So in assigning chart of depreciation to company code, generally you will get two errors. What are that? Assign tax codes for non-taxable transactions and assign tax codes for this one. Specify the use of parallel currencies. We have configured assign tax codes for non-taxable transactions. Okay. So how we configured input tax indicator as V0, output tax as A0. Okay. This one completed. So this is the most important. Specify the use of parallel currencies. So many students are confused here. Okay. Assign chart of depreciation to company code. So in ORFA, assign chart of depreciation to company code. So what is our company code? We will get one error today. JKCD. Okay. JKCD. Save. So this is the error JKCD. Inconsistency exists between company code JK10 and chart of depreciation JKCD. Okay. Go through this error. You need to understand this error effectively. Okay. For your better understanding, concept understanding. Okay. So here, according to customizing the representative ledger of ledger group JK in company code JK10 does not minus parallel currencies. Okay. Parallel currencies. So this is the error relating to parallel currencies. Previously, we have done parallel currencies configuration ORFA, general valuation, currencies, specify the use of parallel currencies. We already discussed. So what are the real-time depreciation areas? Area 1 and area 2 are the real-time depreciation areas. Area 3 is the details extracted from area 2. That's why we have given area 2 extracting from area 2. And also we don't need to give group currency because there is no ledger assigned to here and there is no need of extracting conversion. Okay, it will straightly get the details from area 2. That's why we don't need to give group currency. Okay, save. Do you understand? We don't need to give because it's directly extracted details from depreciation area 2 from the details depreciation area 2. Okay, next. Now again, once we will save again. Go back. No. Now assign chart of depreciation to company code. So what is our company code? JK10. Chart of depreciation JKCD. Save. Okay. Now there is no error. Previously, what is the error? Save. Now completed. This is the main part in set accounting. So what is the error actually? So we are assigning group currency here. So we no need to assign group currency because it is straightly extracted details from the depreciation area 2. That means J4. Okay. The setting completed. Entire chart of depreciation completed. Next asset classes. Okay. So we have maintained 3 depreciation areas. So those are the 1 and 2 are the real-time depreciation areas. 0L for global reporting, J for our company reporting. This is for Indian income tax purpose. It will just extract details from the J4. That's why area does not post. Okay. That's why we not need to give group currency. Okay. You must should understand. Okay. Thank you.